Hello friends, today we're drawing a cute little dinosaur, so let's get started. And we're gonna go ahead and start by drawing in the middle of our paper a circle and another circle. Okay, those are the eyes. Then we're gonna draw a little circle inside and another little circle inside, and that's the highlight. So then you want to color everything in except for the little circle. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, those are the eyes. Then we're gonna go in and make a cute little smile. Love that. And two cute little cheeks. One circle here and one circle here. Then we're gonna draw a rainbow going from here to here. Okay, let's go. Rainbow! Yay! Perfect. And then we're gonna draw little mountains. One little mountain, two little mountain, three little mountain. These are the spikes. Four little mountain, and we'll stop there. Then we are going to draw a curvy line going all the way around the cheek and here. Curve it down. Great. And one line going down like this. And then we're gonna draw a curvy line going around the other cheek. Look at how cute this little guy is looking. I love it. Are you ready to draw a slide together? Watch this. This is so fun. Whee! Slide! Cool. And then a little rainbow right here. Boop. Perfect. And a little sideways rainbow right here. Boop. Great. And another sideways rainbow right here. Here we go. This guy is looking so cute. And look, we're gonna go and do another slide. Whee! Perfect. And then we are doing a little line going down like this. And a little rainbow sideways this way. Yep. And connect that to the body. Perfect. And we're doing another little sideways rainbow like that. And a smaller one, like so. Keep drawing that line straight and curve it up a bit like that. We are almost done. Let's finish up the tail like that. And a few more of these mountain guys. Little mountain, little mountain, little mountain, little mountain, spiky spikes. And the last little one. There! Oh my god, this little guy is so cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I hope you liked it too, and let me know what you want to draw next.